Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix BattlEye update failed error. So if you're getting this error, BattlEye launcher is starting BattlEye service update failed while launching any game on your PC, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to reset network settings. So open Windows settings. On the left click on network and internet. Then click on advanced network settings. Then click on network reset and then read this important information over here. It says this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. So if you agree, then click on reset now and then click on yes to confirm, and then it will ask you to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, and then you can go ahead, launch Steam and then launch the game in which you are getting the error and see if that helps or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then you can try fix 2. You can try VPN. You can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Cloudflare WARP VPN, etc. and then check. For example, you can download and install Cloudflare WARP VPN. So go to this website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, click on the Windows button. And once this Cloudflare WARP exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after installing it, run it and then connect to it. And after connected to VPN, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, and if you're using any third-party antivirus program, then you have to disable or uninstall the third-party antivirus program when playing the game. So if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Webroot, Comodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then disable them or uninstall them and then launch the game and check. Later on, after playing the game, you can enable it or reinstall them. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can follow the fix 4, that is a switch internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can disconnect Wi-Fi and then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. You can also connect to a different Wi-Fi network and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve BattlEye update failed error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.